Hello. In this video, I'll show you AI article writing software, but it's different than most other traditional software because it's AI powered, but the article it writes is like completely human written. For example, I will use a keyword and write an article and demonstrate the quality of this article. Okay. Say we'll choose a keyword, say AI SEO, AI SEO writer. We click write article, just one click, and the article is being written. It will take less than a minute. Yeah, the article has been written and it has been published directly to the blog. So here is the article, unlocking the power of an AI SEO writer, 7 secrets. Let's see. This is the featured image it has added automatically. This is the table of contents, harnessing the AI SEO writer for success. Have you ever felt how? You see, it's well formatted and it has added images by its own. Hmm. It's highly information rich. It's highly information rich. Wow, that's great. Great article. That's great article. Let's see the SEO score of this article. That's fantastic. You got 91 SEO score just by one click, and sometimes you get more than 91. Sometimes I get 95 or higher. But AI doesn't work in the same manner always. So the score will vary. Sometimes it will be more than 90. Sometimes it may be less than 90. But anyway, it will write a high quality software. Sorry, high quality article. Let's see. It has fulfilled most criteria, but if you edit a little bit, the SEO score will be higher. Even if you do not change anything, it already has 91 SEO score, and that is really fantastic. And you got it just by one click, nothing else. Well, let's go back to the article writer, nanny articles. It contains 3400 words. It has added one external link, one internal link. It contains 23 distinct sections. It creates section by section. It creates section by section, so it's highly readable. It's easily readable for the user, for your visitor, and also for the search engines. Words count, images added. It has added 8 images and it has added 2 links. On page SEO is optimized completely. So do you know what is that software? It's Nanny article. I have given the link in the description. It writes high quality articles. It follows Google's EEAT guidelines, and it optimizes SEO. It creates image, and you see it has automatically been published in the WordPress. So by just one click, you publish an article, and that is high quality. If you see the article, if you read the article, the quality is awesome, and it adds statistical data. It adds statistical data. For example, according to HubSpot, 64% of marketers agree. It adds statistical data. It does everything needed for a high quality article, and it optimizes SEO. And I will request you to read out the article and you will see it's not like AI. It feels like, it reads like a human has written it. So thank you. Don't hesitate to ask any question in the comment box.